Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever looked at your Power BI dashboards and wished your visuals looked just a bit sleeker, a little more professional, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to give your Power BI visuals those modern, round corners. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to add rounded edges to different charts, but you'll also understand how these simple touches can help your report stand out and feel polished. Alright, let's jump right in. I'm going to show you how to do this on a few common visuals, a bar chart, a pie chart, and a ribbon chart. But once you get the hang of it, you can easily apply this to any visual you like. Let's start with the bar chart. Go ahead and click on your bar chart to select it. Once you've got it highlighted, look toward the right side of your Power BI workspace. You'll see the Format Visuals icon, which looks like a little paint roller. Click that. This is where all your design magic happens. Now open up the General section. Inside General, there's an area called Effects. Effects is where you find some really cool options to help bring your visuals to life. Look for the one labeled Visual Border, here where the fun starts. You'll see a setting for radius or a width value measured in pixels. This is what controls how rounded your corners are. Right now it's probably set to 0, so your corners are perfectly sharp. Try gradually increasing that number by sliding the bar or typing in a higher value, maybe start with 10 or 15 pixels. As you do this, keep an eye on your bar chart on the canvas. You'll see the corners transform from rectangles to soft, rounded edges. This subtle change can really make your charts look more inviting and modern. Don't worry if it doesn't look right at first. You can always adjust the value back and forth until it's just the way you like. Next, let's repeat the process with your pie chart. Click on your pie chart to select it, then head right back to the Format Visuals pane, go into General, then Effects, and again find Visual Border. Just as before, raise the pixel value and watch those sharp pie slices become nice, rounded shapes. This can help break up the harsh lines and make your report easier on the eyes. Rounded visuals also tend to work better if your dashboard already has other modern design elements. Now let's do our ribbon chart. The steps are exactly the same. Select the ribbon chart, go to Format Visuals, open up General, find Effects, and then Visual Border. Bump up the width or pixels value and check out your new stylish, rounded ribbon display. Each visual can have its own level of roundness, so feel free to experiment until your whole dashboard feels cohesive. And remember, you don't have to stop at corners. If you want to get even more creative, try adding a background color or a shadow effect under Effects. These little tweaks can make your visuals really pop and help different sections of your report stand out. So don't be afraid to play around and see what looks best for your data and your audience. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can take your Power BI visuals from basic to beautiful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own design tips, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.